Hey guys, this is your Chester Weather Forecast, and today we're going to be talking about an upcoming New Year's Day major winter storm that will impact portions of the Midwest to southern Great Lakes on New Year's Day. Before we get into this, I'd like to ask you to subscribe. About 75% of you who watch my videos are not subscribed, so please click the subscribe button if you like weather-related content, and hit the notification bell if you do not want to miss a single upload. Let's get right into this. All the dark blue colors you see there going from Kansas, Iowa, Missouri, Nebraska, Illinois, and southeastern Wisconsin are winter storm watches. These watches could get expanded, but this is what the National Weather Service is confident with as of right now. And eventually these will probably get upgraded to warnings within like 12 hours before the snow actually starts on New Year's Day. Let's get right into the models. This is one of the weather models. Models, just for a disclaimer, are differing quite a bit still, and they're not 100% certain. The system keeps wobbling north and south, which will make big differences when it comes to the totals. But this is one of the models, and this would be the morning of New Year's Day, January 1st, 2022. You can see rain in the south here, potentially some thunderstorms, with some ice in that pink and mix in the purple. But the main question of the day is snow. And some of it is pretty heavy, going into Nebraska and Iowa in the early morning hours. And as we fast forward into the early afternoon hours, the system pushes east-northeast, and all that heavy snow there is remaining in northern Illinois, all of Iowa, and lingering in Kansas, Nebraska. By early evening, that system starts to pick up speed as it kicks east and brings some of that heavy snow into southern Michigan, southern Wisconsin, and the rest of Illinois, with, again, some showers, maybe some thunderstorms to the south of there. And eventually, by midnight, basically, of January 2nd, into the next day, most of that system disappears, leaving behind just some light snow. These are potential snowfall totals with that same model. Anywhere you see pink is greater than 6 inches of snow. You can see the individual values there. Much of this pink region from Kansas, Nebraska, and the corridor of Iowa into northern Illinois is 6+ inches, mainly looking like 6 to 8 inches of snow. And you can see the blue spreads quite a bit around it, going into Michigan, Wisconsin, rest of Iowa. And you can see there's actually a pretty fine cutoff of the snow to the north and to the south. You can see here, this area has like 3 inches of snow, and then not too far, like literally one county next to it had 0 inches of snow. So there's that very fine cutoff there from the rain, ice, and snow on the north and south ends of the system. And we can also expect some lake enhancement of the snowfalls, and from Milwaukee all the way down to Chicago, potentially bringing totals greater than 8 inches, depending on the lake. And nonetheless, the system will bring pretty powerful winds. The watches are currently in effect are calling for about 30 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts, which are extremely high and will create extreme travel hazards in New Year's Day, especially in Illinois and Iowa. That's just weather forecast for this upcoming New Year's Day winter storm. Make sure to like, subscribe, or comment if you want. Goodbye.